What if I told you there are places on Earth you're not allowed to set foot on, even if you're the president? Places wrapped in mystery, danger, and secrets so deep, they're completely off limits to the public. And in 2025, the list just got even weirder. Stick around because what you're about to discover will blow your mind. By the end of this video, you'll know about the most forbidden places in the world, some you've never heard of, and the shocking reasons why they're locked away forever. Don't blink, you don't want to miss this. First up, North Sentinel Island, India, a slice of paradise with a deadly twist. The Sentinelese people who live here have remained untouched by modern civilization for over 60,000 years, and they want it to stay that way. In fact, it's illegal to even approach the island. Why? Because the tribe aggressively defends its isolation, with bows, arrows, and fatal force. No tourists, no researchers. Not even the Indian Navy is allowed to get close. It's the most protected tribe on Earth. Forget Area 51. China now has Area 122, a newly enforced aerial no-fly zone as of 2025. This top-secret region in Xinjiang is believed to house cutting-edge drone swarms and electromagnetic warfare research. Satellite images even show mysterious geometric structures expanding at an alarming rate. No flights, no photography, no media coverage. If you cross it, you might just vanish from the grid. Deep inside a mountain in the Arctic lies the Svalbard Global Seed Vault, also known as the Doomsday Vault. It holds over 1 million seed samples from around the world, designed to restart agriculture in the event of a global catastrophe. Access is granted to only a handful of experts, and armed security ensures its isolation. No tourists, no exceptions, because this vault could decide the future of humanity. Hidden in the Ural Mountains is Mezhgorye, a Russian town so secret it's not on any official maps. Residents, government employees, purpose classified. It's rumored to house nuclear weapons, underground bunkers, and missile control systems. Locals say no one enters without clearance and no one talks. Total radio silence since the Cold War. Once a quarantine zone for plague victims and later a psychiatric asylum, Poveglia Island is now completely off limits. Even fishermen avoid it. Legends speak of voices in the fog, abandoned torture rooms, and ghosts of the tormented. The Italian government banned all access due to safety concerns, but some say it's to hide something far worse. These forbidden places remind us, the world still holds secrets, and not everything is meant to be explored. If you loved this journey through Earth's most restricted locations, hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing facts, and comment below. Which place creeped you out the most? And hey, share this with someone who thinks they've seen everything, because clearly, they haven't. Unlocking the world's secrets, one fact at a time. Stay curious, super subscribe vertical bar. Watch next vertical bar, follow us.